Good morning everyone, welcome back to Manila. We are currently on a bus headed south to Tagaytay. We just got on the bus now. I think it's going to take about an hour and a half. The time is currently 10:53, so should be there by 12:30. Yeah.
So far.
I was going to say, so far so good. Everything's going smoothly.
Excited to explore a little. Is it a town?
It's a city, I think.
It's another city.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But yeah, it looks like there's a couple of exciting things to do on there. So yeah, nice to take a little day trip up to Manila. Welcome to Tagaytay everyone. We have just arrived, we just got on the bus now.
Even though there's 85,000 people here, it doesn't seem very built up. It seems quite spread out from looking at Google Maps and on the bus ride on the way in. So obviously that means the attractions are spread out as well. So hopefully we'll be able to get around and see what we want to see, because we are only here for a few hours. Saying that, we haven't had anything to eat yet, so we're going to head to a Jollibee because it's very quick and easy.
Yeah.
Shouldn't take long, and then we can start exploring Tagaytay and see what we want to see.
Yeah, we got a couple of stops on our list, so hopefully we'll be able to hit most of them today.
It was a nice little shopping mall, that, to be fair.
What?
The shopping mall culture here in the Philippines has got to be unmatched. I've never seen anything like it.
No, neither have I. They're all so different as well.
Every place you go, there's just like big shopping malls and big food courts, and
they're always just very impressive.
so many different types of restaurants and stuff. But anyway, we're going to head to our first stop now. What I've noticed so far from the city, it seems to be split into two. So you've got the bit above the mountain, or on top of the mountain, and then down by the lakeside as well.
Yeah.
And we're currently on top of the mountain. It seems to be like the main sort of centre of the city. And we're going to take a walk about half hour to our first stop of the day. And we should be able to get some pretty good views.
Yeah.
I can't believe this view is from a Starbucks car park.
This isn't even where we were heading, we just spotted it on the way.
We're in a Starbucks car park and that's the view. I can't see, is the volcano the big one in the middle?
Sir, do you want to join? TikTok?
I think this is the volcano just here. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it might be. From the Google Maps direction, it looks like it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's very small, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is actually one of the smallest active volcanoes in the world.
Oh, the Taal Volcano?
Yeah.
Oh, fair, did not know that.
I don't think it is the smallest, but I think it's definitely one of.
One of the smallest volcanoes. I've never seen a volcano.
Neither I.
I did read that you can actually take a hike up the volcano, the Taal Volcano. However, it's currently closed for tourists.
It recently erupted in like March.
Oh, is that why it's closed for tourists?
Yeah, probably. It wasn't a very big eruption.
This viewpoint's class though.
And this isn't even the viewpoint we were going to.
Also, how modern is this Starbucks? Right there, and you've got a view of the lake.
So we've made it to a picnic grove, which is this big area, like a big park. There's a bunch of activities you can do. You can do zip lining, horse riding, and there's also a big lookout apparently. So we're going to take a walk around and see what we come across.
There's also a Ferris wheel just through there. We've been on 2 Ferris wheels in our times in the Philippines, so we probably won't be doing that, but we'll see. We're gonna just head in here, check it out. Seems to be loads of shops, so we're gonna check it out. Whoa, okay. There's a big viewpoint. We found the viewpoint.
Wow.
You've got this cool little like picnic area. That's why it's called Picnic Grove, I guess. And then the lookout is over here with the skywalk just up here. But yeah, this is the awesome view. And you've got, I don't know if you can see just right by there, that's the volcano, the smallest, one of the smallest volcanoes,
One of the smallest
active volcanoes in the world. Really cool. Okay, we've got up to the skywalk now, and it's even better view up here. You can see like the whole lake pretty much. But yeah, the picnic area down here is absolutely massive. It stretches like...
So unique as well,
Oh,
isn't it?
yeah.
Like tiny little huts.
And this view is just incredible. They've even got loads of these barbecue pits just potted around, so you can make your own barbecue.
Very cool.
That's good. Another little fun fact about the volcano, not only is it one of the smallest active volcanoes in the world.
There's an island on a lake which sits inside the volcano. The volcano itself then sits on a lake which sits on
The island
of
Luzon, which is in the sea.
which is an island in itself.
So it's like a body of water, an island, a body of water, an island, a body of water, an island.
That's pretty cool.
It's really cool.
It's crazy to think that there's a little island inside that volcano, because although the volcano looks small from here, when you go over on a boat it's probably not.
Yeah, it's probably massive, but
Yeah.
it would be cool to do like the hike to the top.
And you can like see inside, can't you then?
Yeah.
That would be really, really cool to do one day.
I'm
I'd
not
love to
sure.
do some sort of volcano hike one day.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this is the one that you can like camp at as well.
Really?
Yeah, I've seen videos of people camping at a volcano in the Philippines, but I think there's a few, so.
That would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Imagine like waking up to a volcano.
On that one, on a lake as well. That'd be sick.
That'd be awesome. We came around these steps to walk back up. There's actually like a metal wooden walkway all the way around, and it heads over here somewhere. So we're gonna go and check it out.
It looks as if this bit is closed off because it's a bit sketchy looking. There's some green stuff on the bridge. Yeah. For your safety, this area is off limits. Yeah, probably not best to go across there, isn't it?
Yeah, that bridge does not look safe. The rest of it looks fine. I think there's a little detour though. I think it's just this bit.
Yeah.
You can join back on up there.
I mean, if this is anything to go by.
Bearing in mind that's metal.
Yeah, definitely not safe.
That's metal. That's just
And the bridge is wood.
eroded. Yeah, not a good idea.
Also, this tree's been damaged as well. I wonder if the tree and the bridge is caused by the typhoon in December.
Could be. It would have needed a lot of wind to push this tree down, because it's a pretty big tree.
And it doesn't look as if it was like dead or anything. It looks as if it was quite...
No, a pretty healthy tree that's just been taken down.
In Southeast Asia, it seems to just start raining randomly and we have a massive downpour and it really comes down. But it was literally just sunny. Now it's pouring down, so we've taken cover underneath these trees. I'm gonna wait for it to pass.
We got stuck in a downpour.
It's still raining loads. It stopped for a bit, we started leaving. And now it's hammering down. I think we're just gonna try and get back to Manila, but we need to get to the bus station. It's like a 40-minute walk. It leaves in half hour. We probably won't make it if we walk, so we're gonna try and flag down one of these little tuk-tucky things.
Hopefully they'll stop and they'll take us.
We literally just made the bus. It was leaving as we were getting on.
And we got soaking wet and the aircon's on. It's freezing on this bus.